Absolutely. Here's a full YouTube for a car review of the Toyota 86 Camber Edition, assuming Cember was intended to mean a cambered or modified stance version of the Toyota 86. This version focuses on a visually aggressive, modified Toyota 86 known for its street drift scene appeal, slammed stance, and wild looks, while still respecting its factory roots. Clapperboard, Toyota 86 Camber Edition, the ultimate street-style beast. Video length, approximately 30 minutes. Sections, car details, exterior, interior, comfort level, performance, conclusion, fire intro, roll cinematic intro, drone shots, engine revs, dramatic music. Studio microphone. Welcome back to the channel, car lovers and sideways warriors. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that blurs the line between street art and track performance, the Toyota 86 Camber Edition. It's low, it's loud, it's wide, and it demands attention like a roaring lion in a crowded street. This isn't just a car, this is a lifestyle on wheels. Let's roll. Clipboard car details. Let's begin with the roots. Base model, Toyota 86 GT86 2nd Gen. Year, 2022-2024. Modded version, Camber Edition Slam Street Drift Build. Engine, 2.4 LFLAT 4-boxer. Power output, approximately 228 horsepower stock, modified to 260 plus HP with EQ tuning and intake. Torque, 250 Nm. Drivetrain, RWD rear-wheel drive. Transmission, 6-speed manual. 0 to 100 km/h, approximately 6.1 seconds stock, 5.7 seconds modded. Suspension, air suspension with adjustable camber arms. Wheels, 18 inches deep dish alloys with stretched tires. Estimated cost build $40,000 $55,000 car plus mods. So what makes this a Camber Edition? It's a love letter to stance culture and drift heritage, low ride height, extreme wheel angle, and performance that still screams control in chaos. Rocket exterior. The Toyota 86 Camber Edition is an aesthetic weapon. Front end, wide body front fenders, custom vented carbon fiber hood. Aggressive splitter with red tow hook. LED strip DRLs paired with smoked out headlights. Side profile. Extreme negative camber on front and rear wheels. Extended side skirts with aerodynamic fins. Signature deep dish wheels, usually Workmeister, SSR, or Rotiform. Paint job. Custom pearl white, midnight purple, or matte black with vinyl art. Rear, ducktail or GT style wing. Quad tip exhaust aftermarket, HKS, Tomei, or NVIDIA. Rear diffuser with LED F1 style brake light. Flush-mounted taillights with sequential turn signals. Air suspension, remote-controlled air ride kit. Show-off mode, full drop to frame scraping levels. Street ride mode for safe driving. Every angle screams aggression, and it looks like it's drifting even when standing still. Brain interior. While the outside goes full-on wild, the inside is driver-focused and race-inspired. Driver's seat, Sparco or Bride racing bucket. 4-point Takata harness, quick-release aftermarket steering wheel NRG Momo. Dashboard, custom carbon trim pieces, touchscreen infotainment still intact, digital boost gauge, oil temp gauge on A-pillar. Tuned EQ display Ecutech or Cobb for real-time performance tracking. Rear cabin, usually gutted or reinforced with roll cage, street-legal drift setup. Optional subwoofer box in the trunk if show build. Alcantara dash wrap or color-themed stitching usually matches wheels or paint. This cockpit says, you're not just driving, you're commanding the machine. Relieved face comfort level. Okay, let's get real, a cambered 86 isn't about luxury. But it doesn't have to punish either. Ride quality. With air suspension, surprisingly smooth at mid-height. Coilovers setup. Expect a firmer, track-focused experience. Daily drive possible with proper air settings, but speed bumps are your enemy. Seats and ergonomics. Racing seats are tight but supportive. Heated seat function still works in many builds. Compact cabin, but clean. Layout and great visibility. Tech features retained from stock. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Push start. Rear view camera. Climate control and drive mode selector. Noise. Loud inside, lots of road and exhaust noise. But honestly, that's part of the experience. It's like driving inside a soundtrack. High voltage performance. Now let's talk action, because this car isn't just about looks, it moves with intent. Engine performance. Stock 2.4L Boxer is tuned with aftermarket EQ. Cold air intake plus upgraded exhaust equals better throttle response and sound. 260 plus horsepower with simple mods, up to 300 plus with turbo supercharger kits. Handling. Lower center of gravity equals razor sharp turn-in. Wide stance and sticky tires equals extra grip. But, extreme camber equals some tire wear and reduced straight line traction. Best suited for controlled slides, togue, and car meets. Brakes. Upgraded Brembo or Willwood big brake kit in most builds. High temp pads plus drilled rotors for aggressive driving. Driving modes. Normal, sport, track with traction control override. Most drivers stick to manual shifting for full control. Rear wheel drive plus manual equals drift heaven. This is a car that rewards skill. The more you give it, the more it gives back. Checkmark conclusion. Mike, so, is the Toyota 86 Camber Edition worth the hype? Absolutely, if you're into a car that speaks style, performance, and individuality. Checkmark it's light, quick, and incredibly fun. Checkmark the cambered stance is street show ready. Checkmark it blends the legacy of drift culture with modern tuner vibes. Checkmark it's affordable, customizable, and built to turn heads. Crossmark but it's not for everyone. If comfort and practicality are top of your list, look elsewhere. For those who live for car meets, drift nights, and Instagram flexes, the 86 Camber is an extension of personality on wheels. Clapperboard outro. Speaking head, drop your thoughts below. Would you daily a cambered 86? Or is this pure showbiz? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more wild car content coming your way. Until next time, stay slammed, stay sideways, and stay fast. Outro music, B-roll of the car cruising and revving. Would you like a cinematic video title plus thumbnail idea and hashtags for this script too?